I've been talking with a lot of friends and family who have told me that they're not really familiar with how to properly take off gloves so that they don't contaminate themselves if they've touched something or come in contact with somebody who might have coronavirus. So I wanted to make this tutorial video to just briefly show how to properly do it. From working in a group home, I have learned a lot of things, but in this unsafe time, this is probably one of the most important things that you could learn how to do. So, without further ado, in order to properly take off medical gloves, the first thing you do is take 2 fingers, pinch one part of the glove, and then pull it off. Next, you're going to take it and squish it into a ball in your fist. And with the other hand that's already taken off, that's already had the glove taken off, you take 2 fingers, push it inside the glove so you're not touching the outside area, and then simply pull off, just like that. Thank you, and I hope this is instructional and helpful for everybody.